G'day guys, it's Paul here from The Hook and the Cook and welcome back to our channel. Today is a really exciting day for me. I'm going to introduce you to my new boat. In fact, I haven't even seen it yet. We're just in the gates here at Caloundra Marine and these guys have really looked after me. And yeah, I traded my old boat in against this Renegade that I'm actually buying today, and we're going to give you a good rundown on exactly what the boat's like. So come with us and let's have a look. Well guys, I've been down to Caloundra Marine to pick my boat up and it's not actually there. The guys are actually testing it on the water at the moment, so I still haven't got to see it. So they've told me that they're down here somewhere testing the boat, and I actually haven't seen them yet, so pretty excited. I know Les is out there testing the boat, making sure there's no water leaks. Yeah, just making sure that everything's okay for me when I go to pick it up. I don't want to get embarrassed if there's anything wrong with it. So looks like I'm just going to have to wait for them on the beach, just let them test everything, and then it'll be my first voyage going out and checking it out. So I'm really excited. I'm not sure where Les is. I'm hopefully at the right spot. Starting to get a bit nervous. Still haven't actually seen the boat yet. Come on Leslie, where are you mate? Looks like we might be coming in now. That's the boat. Flying. Giving it a good test. There you go, mate.
Welcome to you, mate.
Yeah. I was getting a bit worried for a minute.
When you go to the yard and there was no boat there.
There's no boat.
So there's no reason we can't take you out.
Okay.
Enjoy your new boat.
Brilliant, mate.
Yeah.
It looks absolutely fantastic. I can't wait.
Done it.
To give it a go. Here with Max from Caloundra Marine. He's going to actually go through the Minn Kota that we've just put on the 490 Renegade, and he's going to give me a rundown because it's the first time I've ever actually had a Minn Kota on my boat. So Max, can you tell me where I start?
Start with the basics. This quick release bracket, that just pulls out as such, and then the motor will just lift up and off.
So the whole thing will just come straight off?
The whole thing will come off.
Wow, that's not
Again,
right.
what we do is this Anderson plug fitting on the deck here, which you can see. So that just wiggles out, again, means that you can pull the motor off easy.
Yep.
And when you go to charge the batteries, again, you just plug that Anderson plug in. You don't even have to lift up a hatch or anything like that.
So the battery charger just goes straight into it?
Straight into it, mate.
That's unbelievable.
So, very nice and easy.
That was great, wasn't it, Paul? What do you?
Mate, I can't believe how that Minn Kota held in, and with the tide and the wind we've got, it's blowing 25-30 knots today.
Yeah, and it's just pumping in.
Oh,
and we were doing, by the GPS, so we're not picking a mystery figure, we were doing almost 2 knots against everything.
Yeah.
And then we hit spotlight and we just held there.
Fantastic. Not bad parking.
Parked here a few times.
I really appreciate it. So there you go guys, my new 490 Renegade. And it was fantastic going out with those guys from Caloundra Marine today. Don't forget to subscribe to their channel. Fantastic guys. If you're looking for a nice new Quintrex, go and see the boys down there at Caloundra Marine. Anyway guys, I'm looking forward to getting out and doing plenty of catching and cooking on this boat. We're going to do plenty of adventures and we'll bring it all here on The Hook and the Cook. And we'll see you every Friday here at The Hook and the Cook. Look forward to seeing you next week. Cheers guys. So there we go guys, a beautiful mangrove jack. First fish for myself and my wife out here on my brand new boat. How we going there guys? Don't forget to check us every Friday here at The Hook and the Cook. It's a beautiful mangrove jack with Asian flavours, and we'll be putting it up on the channel very soon so you can cook it at home. Cheers guys. Wow, superb.